Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Lush Gardeners. So this is a variegated fairy castle cactus. Now unfortunately I had done the repotting video, but the lighting was not that great. It showed up really bright on my phone, but when I was editing the video the light was not much. Now the reason I had to repot is because the cactus came in a very organic soil. It was more of cocoa chips and cocoa peat, so I had to repot in my succulent soil mix, which is 80% of aquarium sand and 20% of filtered garden soil. I have been using the same soil for my cacti as well, and it has been working out really well. Now the whole reason is I'm planning to get into more of cacti, because there were some people as well who have given up on succulents, and I can completely understand why they have given up, because their conditions were not right and they were having a hard time growing succulents. So they have given up on succulents and they are planning to grow more of cacti. So the best thing is that they said that even though they won't be growing any succulents, but they will still visit my channel. That was really sweet of them to say that. So I thought if they are going to come to my channel, I can at least offer them some cacti videos as well. So I am going to be getting some more euphorbias. I think there are 4 of them that are in transit, but this is the first one that have come. As you'll all know, I have some cacti. I was trying to experiment and see if it is going to work out really well or not, and the other cacti have been doing quite well. It's almost 2 years that they have been around and I was quite confident about them, so I thought I will increase the collection slowly. One of the pup did break while repotting. I've put it into the soil. Very easy to propagate them via separating the pups. You can see this is like one pup. You can just break it off and put it into the soil. It will grow into a new one. So absolutely beautiful cacti. I was looking out for this for a very long time. Tends to grow very dense. I'll put up an image of a non-variegated one, because of the variegated ones I've not seen much images, but I'll put up the image of a non-variegated fairy castle. Tends to grow very dense in a clump. So I wanted to get one. I will be keeping it in indirect bright light, probably early morning, 2 or 3 hours of direct sunlight, because if the afternoon sunlight falls on the variegated part, it will get burned. So we have to be a little bit careful. But as and when the plant starts to grow, it can handle more sunlight. But initially when it's small like this, I will offer it indirect bright light with a little bit of morning direct sunlight, and that should be good enough. So that's all. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe and keep propagating.